Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Arc Raider Server Slam on PC, and this is for the Epic Games Launcher user. So here follow the steps. Open Epic Games Launcher. In the search type Arc Raiders and then click on this Arc Raider Server Slam demo version. Then click on Get option. Just wait. Then click on View in Library. Now in the library you can see Arc Raider Server Slam install option. Then click on Install option. Now select the drive in which you want to install the game. Select the path and then click on Install. Click Yes to allow. Now you can see Arc Raider Server Slam, the demo version, it getting installed on my PC. So by this way you can download and install Arc Raider Server Slam demo version on PC via the Epic Games Launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.